Elijah Obori. This is in charge of agriculture, livestock and fisheries, Kisii County. Today we have had a function whereby we have flagged off a day-old chicks, which were in a total of 7,500. And also we brood stock of fish, which is a total of 1,663 for the county aquarium. Now the chicks are going to Marani ward for
the Dennis Ombach, the MC of Marani ward, and also the leader of Minority Kisii County Assembly. First of all, I want to thank the CEC in charge of agriculture, Mr. Elijah Obori, and his team, the chief officer and director here Osoro, for the good work they have done. And I also want to thank the technical officers from Marani, Koronge and Karo, who came up with this idea of giving farmers chicks. The purpose of this is to enhance the production of eggs. And production of eggs is going to assist my people in about 4 ways. Number one, we want to enhance protein taking of my people. As you know, the young people can eat eggs, the youth can eat eggs, and also the adults. We want to improve the food eating culture in our people. So the easiest way to start improving protein taking is the chicken. Number two, we also want to empower people in terms of production for economic purposes. We want to empower people economically so that they can be able to produce. Bwana Waziri, I want to tell you that our purpose is that by the end of this year, we want as a ward to produce about 10,000 eggs, yeah, for the market.
There are 50 farmer groups that are being reminded. So this is to enhance egg production, because we want that in the next 5 or so months, 6 months, we want those farmers to be self-sufficient and also to be in a position of producing quite a number of eggs. Also, we have given them starter chick mash so that they can feed those chicks for that purpose.
We'll be able to empower people to pay school fees and buy food and be able to carry their activities. So I'm now serving my 3rd term. Having done the infrastructure and other things, we want now to reach a point where we want to build capacity and empower our people economically. So the other reason is that, you know, if you look at Kisii County as a whole, we are not having enough production of eggs. You know, for me, purposely, I'm here to take the 7,320 one-day chick with the food and also vaccination. I want to thank you, Wazir, that you have already sent the early team to prepare the place where these chicks will be. And the officers assured me that the improved kienyeji has a very high survival rate. So I'm sure that my people will be happy. The 50 groups that Director Osoro has identified, they are viable groups, they are in existence, they are registered, and that is about 1,000 homes.
Mimi naitwa Marani kutoka Marani ward. Ya kwanza nashukuru mheshimiwa wetu na gavana wetu wamefanya jambo mzuri katika maisha ya wamama wa Marani. Sasa nashukuru kwa yote wametenda, wacha Mungu aendelee kuwaonyesha vile watatufanyia kama wamama. Haya, sina mengi ya kusema.
To raise about 4,000 to 5,000 seedlings of Hass avocado to combine with this one. This way, then we are going to improve the capacity of our people to produce for themselves and for the market. That is why we are here, and I'm grateful to His Excellency the Governor for allowing us what we call ward-based budgeting. This ward-based budgeting is what has allowed us to go to the ground and listen to what the farmers want. This is public participation, where the farmers said they want to be supported to grow economically. You know, most cases we go to make roads, we go to make hospitals, we go to make classrooms. But when we talk to them, they said what they want now is to find a way to empower them economically. And that's why I want to thank His Excellency Governor Simba Arati to continue this way. And I also want to remind him that the people of Marani Ward wanted him to come and launch